Metro Fires have dedicated years of development and testing to deliver the best performance and efficiency from a flue system. Metro Eco Flue systems will retain the warmth from your wood fire inside your home and reduce firewood consumption at the same time. Standard flue kits are very inefficient, as much of the heat generated by the wood fire is drawn up between the flue liners and vented outside. Lab testing of a standard flue system resulted in the heated air provided by the wood fire being drawn out of the home at an astounding rate of 450 litres per minute. Even worse, this lost heat is replaced by cold air being drawn in from outside at the same rate, causing a constant incoming draft. This requires the fire to be operated at a higher burn rate to heat the constantly incoming cold air using more firewood. So not only are standard flue kits less efficient, they will heat the home slower and will cause you to use more firewood, costing you both heat and money. Metro's Eco Flue system differs from a standard flue system due to the much higher efficiency it operates at. All flue systems need moving air between the liners to ensure the outer flue liners remain cool. The benefit the Metro Eco Flue system offers is that the cooling air comes from either the ceiling cavity or outside of the home, whereas the standard flue kit draws its cooling air from the room being heated. With a Metro Eco Flue system, your home will be heated sooner and more efficiently. Once your home is heated to the desired temperature, the fire can be turned to a lower setting, consuming less firewood, saving you money. If your home does not have a ceiling cavity or has a sloping ceiling, simply add the Metro Eco Option Kit, which allows the cooling air to be drawn into the flue liners from outside the home instead of from your ceiling cavity. Another performance benefit the Metro Eco Flue system offers is enhanced draw due to an upward vortex created by the Eco Cowls vertical discharge design. This design induces updraft to the flue gases, increasing draw within the flue pipe, improving the performance and heat output of your wood fire. As you've seen, Metro's Eco Flue systems are an efficient way of getting the maximum benefit from your wood fire, heating your home sooner and consuming less firewood. Metro Eco Flue systems, another innovative energy-efficient product from Metro Fires.